All right, what is up, YouTube? I'm coming at you from the local gas station out here. We're about to head to our first car event. This is actually the first time I'm ever taking the Ducati to a car event, so it should be pretty fun, should be pretty awesome. Gonna see a lot of nice cars and pretty much have a good time, man. So I hope to see you guys out there. All right, we made it to the car meet. First car we see is a 5.0 Black Mamba edition. That's interesting. It's a convertible. Looks nice. Clean. It's got some nice carbon on there too. Awesome, dude. A nice looking Mini Cooper. Very clean. Got a clean looking Acura right here on the Mag Blue Volks. Nice. Super clean. Type S. Alright. Looks nice. Clean looking Civic Si as well. Clean daily. Haters. Clean looking BMW with the manual too. It's nice. Beautiful blue Type R. Looks clean. Brand new. Nice. Super clean looking STI wagon. Nice. Clean. 5-speed? Or 6-speed, honestly, could be either or. Still looks nice though. Clean looking old school Mercedes. I believe this is the 190E model. I'm not 100% sure. Is it? Oh, it's the 500, the 300E. My fault. Looks clean though. Can't never go wrong with the classics. The little wipers for the headlights is pretty dope. Clean looking M5. It's dope. You can never go wrong with the classics. Nice little 66 Ford Thunderbird. It's nice and clean. All right, guys, we made it back home safe and sound. Thank God. Honestly, the car meet was honestly pretty cool. Met a lot of nice guys out there, a lot of cool cars, a lot of clean Civics, Acuras, some M5s as well. So honestly, pretty good turnout. I appreciate the people that let me go there and pretty much show off my Ducati. It's honestly pretty cool that I get to go to these meets, and a lot of the people there are very welcoming and all that. So yeah, man, if you guys want to see more videos of this, or me riding, or me going to car meets or anything like that, please hit the like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it really lets me know that you guys are interested in all this. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good day. Peace.